Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about my collection again. So these are a few more limited edition lighters that I have for my personal collection. So I bought these through the years and let's go and check them out. So I'm going to start with the D-Day that I don't think is as big as a collectible as the 70 year. This is a 65-year anniversary. So this is one out of 10,000. So you can see the serial number on the top. Pretty nice lighter. I got this one in 2009. It's not an expensive lighter, wasn't an expensive lighter back in the day. So we can read a little bit more info in the back of the books. As you can see, add a piece of history to your collection, and that's what I did. So pretty nice, but I think the 70-year anniversary is one of the best. Comes in a bigger box, a more detailed box. So this is limited only to 7,000. And the reason I like this set more, it comes with a cricket. So this cricket was given to the Allied soldiers. So this to distinguish the Allied soldiers from the Germans, they knew that the Allied soldiers, because they had these crickets, so when they were asking for the password, they had to use the cricket. As you can see, the Acme company, made in England. This is one of my favorite Zippos. The lighter itself has a little bit more detail, I think. 2014. And it has a small booklet that is sealed. I never open it, but this is for the Acme cricket. This is a must-have for every collector. So, as I said, authentic Acme crickets. This is one of my favorite sets here. Now, let's go to the 500 million Zippo. So when Zippo reached the 500 million, they produce these two Zippo lighters. This is the least expensive one again, but still serial numbers. This is 14,453. You reach 500 million here. A little bit more of the informations in the back. a must-have for every collector. And let's go and open the 500 million one. Yep, this is one of the best collectors must have. So as you can see, this is 8,940. So in June 2012, they reached 500 million Zippo lighters. These are very limited pieces. I'm lucky to have one of these very limited edition lighters. If you like this video, please like and share, and please subscribe. Thank you for watching.